Good morning, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. We are looking for a logarithmic problem, question from logarithms. So here we are having a logarithmic equation. You have to solve these equations. I personally found this question to be very interesting and I hope you like it. Let us go ahead and start the problem. Like this, Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest update. Your subscription is very important. Now pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you solve this problem or not? Otherwise go ahead and watch the video. So here we are going to start the problem here. So here the question is given 3x square plus 5x plus log 5x plus 1 equal to y, 3y square plus 5y plus log 5y plus 1 equal to x. So here you have to find the values of x and y. That is the problem here. So here first of all, by seeing the equations, we can say it is defined, the equations are defined for x is greater than minus 1 by 5 and y is greater than minus 1 by 5. So here the values should be x should be greater than 1 by 5, y should be greater than 1 by 5. Then only the equations are defined. Now here subtracting these two, so subtract these two equations. 3x square plus 5x plus log 5x plus 1 is equal to, or you can write minus y equal to 0. Second equation, 3y square plus 5y plus log 5y plus 1 minus x equal to 0. So if you subtract these two, what will get here? 3x square minus 3y square plus 5x minus 5y plus log 5x plus 1 minus log we will get 5x 5y plus 1 minus y plus x equal to 0. So if you add, you are getting this one. So here if you write positive one side and negative one side, 3x square plus 6x, 5x plus x, you will get 6x, 6x plus log 5x plus 1 is equal to 3y square plus 6y plus log 5y plus 1. So let it be 3. So this is 1, let it be 2. This is the third equation now. So here we are going to consider a function. So consider a function, both are having same values. Consider a function f of t is equal to 3t square plus 60 plus log 5t plus 1. So here the condition is t belongs to minus 1 by 5 to infinity. So if you find the integral, differentiation, 60 plus 6 plus 1 by 5t plus 1 is greater than 0 for every t belongs to minus 1 by 5 to infinity. So from this you can say f of t is a increasing function now. F of t is increasing for every t belongs to minus 1 by 5 to infinity. So equation 1 has equation 1 here, this is the equation 1, equation 3. Equation 3 has only one solution. Only one solution, that is x is equal to y. So put y is equal to x in the equation 1. What will get here? We get 3x square plus 4x plus log 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Also, the function, if we change it into a function, g of t is equal to 3t square plus 4t plus log 5t plus 1 is increasing for every t belongs to 1 by 5 to infinity. The function g of x is equal to 0 has only one solution. Put x is equal to 0 in the system. Put x equal to 0 in the system. We get y equal to 0. So thus the system has unique solution. The system has unique solution x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. So thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.